Welcome to the Dobe Show. Of course, I and I'm Christmas. You already know I'm doing the best show, even James knows. Otherwise, on sound and camera, this thing is usual. I got my man James, and on my right, I got my man Kanda. There's one story at the time, and it's one testimony at the time. If you're new to the channel, where have you been? Subscribe, press the notification bell, as well as join the membership. Thank you so much for support, liking the episode, sharing it, commenting. We really appreciate it. We humbled. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. James, how are you on Grace?
Yeah, it's God's time. It's God's time. We're on Grace.
I love it every time, man, when we on Grace. Tata litini ixesha ngoku.
Ya ndijiphima tsachirithi mikari ya tintswalo xesheni ka Yesu.
Ngiphethe my brother la uthi Chris KUNENE.
Inhlelo kungabi ningi igqoke nje Kaizer Chiefs.
James.
Ngezwa ikhosi labantu lifelani mara.
Ngeke ungakhaya.
Ushaya amakhala ekhosi kumele mic.
Ngeke ungakhaya.
My brother siyakubingelela. Welcome to the show. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me, Chris. Igama lami nguThabang. Josias Magama. Ngisuka eOrlando West by birth, by ukukhula kwami, I would say. So I was born into this family that is, for me as an adult, khona manje realizing, looking back at memories and whatnot, I can see that there was something special, I would say, about the family that I come from. So I couldn't comprehend at the time. So, manje sengikhulile ngiyabona, and lezinto shuthi I think everything, when you get to see it for what it is, you are ready to see it. You don't just see things. So I'll make an example. If I had a father and asked uthi baba ngicela iPlayStation, for example, ubaba ngeke nje avele athenga iPlayStation, kumele acabanga, sebenzisa ingqondo yakho ukuthi okay, mfana ngimthengile iPlayStation, what grade is he doing? On weekends, what does he have to do? Maybe attend my Saturday school. Sundays, I have to go to church. So, of course, I can't receive something that I am not ready to receive. So, I believe that what has come to my knowledge right now, or acknowledgement that into ngiyibona experience it, I feel like now besing ready ukuthi ngizibone lezi zinto ngokuthi I've been questioning myself. I'm a very restless person.
What does it mean that you're questioning?
Basically, my life, because my life experiences personally, they are different. They are not unique in a way that what I experienced omunye umuntu cannot or will not, or had never, because at the end of the day, there's nothing new under the sun. Everything we experience has been experienced before. A life you live has been lived before. It's just it comes now in a different, maybe, vessel, I would say, since we are vessels of God. Yes, so now, I was born to a family whereby we had a granddad. Granddad, he was an actor. He was an actor with Mupeme. So if you look at Mupeme Part 1, Lillian Dube's husband in that particular telenovela, that's my granddad. Okay. He was a Sotho man. So I try to go back to my oldest memory, season Ayonji, when I Chris, because it is a long story, but you'll understand why it's supposed to be long, because everything interconnects. Yes. So now, my oldest memory that I remember, number one, the individuality. Ngasho ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngivula amehlo. Yes, ngiwavulile amehlo ngabona ngincane ngibanjiwe. That's fine. That's not important. The important thing is now, for the first time, I was feeling something, and it was a strong feeling individuality. So where I was born to a mother who lives a White City and a father who lives in Orlando West. These two families, my maternal and paternal family, they are different when it comes to level. It's as if ni colored born to a black family and a white family. I get to experience two things. So that introduces to
Family dynamics.
yes, my brother. And manje i-duality, i-yin yang. Khona la warm khona la cold khona black khona white. Izinto eziyi-two. So now, mina first realization uphaphama wami, I'm at my father's house, which is the paternal family, Orlando West. So I wake up in the morning, early in the morning, ngifuna umama. That's who I always knew. Those are the hands that I've always felt holding me and whatnot. So ngiyavuka ngifuna umama, angimboni where I'm sleeping. And where I'm sleeping, gleli nogogo futhi. Umadala use roomini lakhe. I haven't gotten to see everything or everyone, I would say. The first realization, this house is huge. Into a figure, this house is huge. But where's my mom? I want my mom. Nyazula ngifuna ma room. It was a 9-room house, 11 or 9 rooms, if I'm not mistaken. It is still there. And now, Chris, nyazula ngifuna na le room where I can find my mom, but most of the rooms are closed. Mncane akwazi ukufikela nasemnyango ukuthi ngaze ngivule. So ngibheke akekho umama until ngize ngilande kitchen obviously ingibonisa way outside. So now I can feel ukuthi my mom is not here. So I'm an individual. I cried on that morning because it was overwhelming to feel something like this as a youngin, you know. So from there on, life yam seqala iyarola. Now, the following day, or rather that particular day, that's when I get to see everyone manje. Senyabazi manje like low bani. So I don't know whether I spend a lot of time in my maternal family that manje I'm being introduced to this other family. So masabang introduced to these people, this is Gogo, this is auntie, this is who. This one figure is super interesting, which is my granddad. My granddad has his own like bedroom, right? Mangizovela lapha emnyango wa granddad, hey, I know, granddad, he was a gentleman, I would say. Very smart, very neat. Ngimthola upolisha igcathu. The church. I see the uniform. It's beautiful. I love it. Yeah, but I don't understand what's happening. Granddad, why do you have to dress like this? That's when he explains to me, man, this is for church. Granddad was church. Church is where we go to worship God. God, who is God, man? Granddad, God is a power that you and I are below. It is over us and it loves us so much that truly, the more you praise it, it's the more it gives to you. I'm like, ayibo granddad. Ruthi mangathandaza granddad, ngizoyithola into engithandazelayo. Amadala athi thandaza uzoyithola. Bheka mina ke ngoba phela ngingabambi nix angithi. Hey, ngiyathandaza on that particular day or night before ngilala thandaza. uNkulunkulu. Ngifundiswe madala ukuthi thandaza so uNkulunkulu ngicela i-toy car. Ngiyayispecifya i-toy car transparent. Ngicela ukuyithola e-dining room mangivuka ekseni. Ngivuke eksasa ngiyele e-dining room, there's no toy car. Esa yabona ngiyenzeni ngiquestione ngoNkulunkulu
At the young age.
At that young age utayibo manje uNkulunkulu, if ayivela, do you really exist? Kanti no wena Chris, kahle kahle uNkulunkulu pulling me closer to him so that I can have the interest or be curious enough to find out more about him. What did I do wrong? I prayed for something that is material, whereas he does not operate on a material level. If I prayed ukuthi uNkulunkulu kusasa ngicela ukuthola maybe ihug or what, I would have got that, Chris. Ngiyangithola. So I prayed for something encane ngisasemncane. Life iqhubeka wena Chris, life mayiqhubeka, I'm starting to understand ukuthi man, le family enguyo i-wealthy. Inomnotho le family enguyo. Not ukuthi inomnotho mhlambe ngokuba ngibona imali kakhulu. No, I can see the difference between the two sides. When I go to my mom's place, which I went mhlambe once every week, ngama weekend mhlambe ngiyaya Friday ngizobuya Sunday, I could see man udayi ngapha man hayi zabakhalela la White City shem. And then mangale everything is there, but there's a difference. Le White City uthando, yo, it's too much, Chris. Uthando is too much. Ngale hey uyabona man udayi somehow awubalance. So ngikhule Chris ngifunde isigela nya excela. Abo teacher abayangithanda, I start looking at myself man nazi mina something special about me, but I'm not the only one. I've seen other people bapraiswa abanye bayenzani. That means they are also special. We are a collective of people who are actually special. Yabo, but I'm too young to even comprehend what that means. Life goes on. Sengihlangana like people like ama celebrities. Let's say Sakumzi, Malum Sakumzi was a friend of my father. Yabo. My father was there in that house yaga Matala, but my father was never a present father in my life. He was there. Umuntu ngimbonayo Chris engihlala endlini whereby ijariti ulala lapho kulelo jariti. But I never sit down njengoba ngihleli nawe kanje sikhulume, even if it's just small talk. Nothing.
Bro, it's just like a stranger.
Yeah, a distant stranger
In the same house.
in the same house, a drunkard and whatnot. I wouldn't label him a bad person when I'm crazy, but he was super distant. In a way, I believe umadala na yama efforts wakhe bekazama ukureplace lento angabanga nayo, of which yini umuntu azomnika imendlela. Yabo, azomshiyela whatever empire I buildile umadala. Because my dad, according to him umadala, athi lo muntu lo mina at the age of 16 beseka driver afunda la ePhesisco la ePhefeni secondary. Beseka driver ana 16. Look at him today. What does he have? Nothing. He has nothing to show. He's still employed by me in my business. He never cared to start his own. He never cared to buy his own car and stuff like that. That's where I see with Esan. This old man, he's bleeding to me with Esan. When Esan, nyakdinga, I need you for something. Yabo, la umadala sekaqala ke uyangigruma. And ukungigruma kwakhe ungibonisa almost everything. Finances, and then there was some kind of a ritual, I would say. I don't know if usuku welcome umntwana to the family or what. Yabo. Yes, there was kind of a ritual, but it was not a dark ritual. No. We are going to buy a sheep, right? Come back with the sheep. I will show you what I do. Umadala buy the sheep. Like he made sure I was isolated from everyone else. This was just me and him. So he spoke to the sheep. I kuluma whatever I kulumayo, and then bekune sniff foot khona lapho. Yabo. And then later the sheep was slaughtered and whatnot. Okay. That was, I would say, my first encounter with spiritualism, I would say. Ne? And then njengoba ngifunda before ngizophume primary, something also happened. Bokunezinto ezisinaks besizenza sase abantwana kushuthi there was Satanism at the time. It was ngenye indlela man. Satanism beyivela uzwe bathi abantu babulala inkomo bazimunye bayenzeni, like you would hear these funny stories. Yeah. Yes, when I crazy. So now there's this thing igame efikayo sise primary but uye esipilini uthi tiki dumbalihlo. I advised everyone, whoever, it's not worth it. Yasebenza, because people, chuthi, singabantwana ne, lento leyo securious angithi. Angifuna ukuyenza, ngifuna ukubona ukuthi kuzoyenzakalani. Sihambe sonke siyoyenza, and then makumele sibuye. Mhlambe oyi-1 actually achieved leyo nto leyo. That means leyo muntu in a way either sensitive to his spiritualism or connected to something. So singayenza C5 and then lo oyi-1 affect. Yabo? So now I was one of the people who were affected by leyo nto leyo ngayo esipilini mina Chris ngayenza tiki dumba ilihlo. I thought it wouldn't work. Yo Hotman, tomorrow nyavuka how ilihlo lingaka ngathi ngishayiwe Hotman lami angibuze endlini ude wena wetsala njalo antwami angibuze. He was like a godmother, I would say, because bengihlala ku paternal, so I needed that mother kind of love, you know. So Antiza was there for me in that way. Beka umama uyangibuza Antiza ilihlo maselingaka mina ilihlo linkulu angilifeel nokulifeel ilihlo linkulu angizibheke esipilini. So they concluded ukuthi ngilunye mosquito. Antiza athi awuyi wena esikolweni today unami yabo uzoye Rosebank uzohamba nami. All right, fine. A second encounter ye spiritualism. I didn't realize at the time, sasimncane Chris, to comprehend something like this, but it worked. It happened. Yabo? Sure. Those esikolweni, they never got to know because on that day, Auntie Zungise, a Rosebank, right? Mm-hmm. We used to travel a lot, no, Aunties every Sunday to different places. That affected how I think. Because now how I think, kabanga isilungu kakhulu more than is dark. Kakhulu, I would say. Umuntu owazi indawo, ngibone indawo, so umuntu like thanda
well traveled.
Yes, my brother. I love being there, seeing landscapes and whatnot. So now, Chris, ngiloko ngiyafunda and then kwenzakala ukuthi umadala before kwenzakala so kushona uAntiza kushuthi i-family hierarchy yethu ne it was so stable that you remove one and then now it starts to really tremble. Yabo? So Antiza 2006, if I'm not mistaken, we are shown. Antiza makashona iba yinto enkulu because kakhulu sidepende ku-Antiza for a lot of things, including ama paperwork and whatnot. She was a person ukuthi ngathi use-America la muntu gcoka imicwebe le. That was real gold, my brother. Mangibamba ikhisti yakhe incane nyana le beyisinda riding leya spam sakhe sihle leso sibone ema-movie Aliyah adubula lapha nabojeki yabo. So it was something to me, wow leya muntu loya siluze umuntu huge. But then Chris, on the day of the funeral kuba nalento ye-viewing esana Chris. I wish I never did that. I wish I never saw her ngalesa skhathi ngalesa state, my brother, because I've always known her as this angelic. Uyagula for a long time. And even during nokugula kwakhe bokumuntu ongithathayo makumela kuma check up and stuff, I'm tapping into things that are beyond me. Antibiotic bengithi antibiotic na for Chris, bengitshela ukuthi udinga antibiotic na for udinga amapilisi bengiwazi amapilisi because I was involved ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Umadala makakhuluma nami, Madala bekathi abudi. He wouldn't say tabang. No. Madala respected me in a way that shocked me and scared me. It brought fear to me. Why does this man respect me so much? While he is very respected, hamba khona manje lapha eOrlando West bazokutshela. Orlando West uthi magama bazokutshela Hotman lam. Big man, inkunzi leya. Big man, not ngezinto wrong, ngezinto right. He was a successful businessman, he was a hard worker, he was a selfless person, he knew God, he feared God. So me seeing uAntiza kulesa state lesa, it affected me. Yabo kula sengicala manje angisakwazi ukulala green. Eyinkumbulo Antiza, I am not able to deal with the loss, basically. Isikhathi siyahamba ngulandela umagogo.
Let's talk about the viewing. What
crazy ukubona Antiza kulesa state lesa. Okay, fine. It was elegant. Yabo, for a lack of better words, it was a beautiful casket and it was beautiful, my brother. Leya top dollar. Leya kishiwe imali for leya casket. It's beautiful. But my brother, she wasn't. I knew her as a very beautiful person. But she wasn't in that state. She was lifeless. My brother, the image itself, me seeing her, immediately seeing her, kuba ngathi qhume something. Yabo, I just lost it. Bengimncane Chris 2006. 97, my brother. Sure bekimncane plan engqondweni yami kungathi kuqhume something ebusuku mangivala amehlo ngibona ipicture kaanti wami yalesa akulesa state ukuthi bengimazi kuumuntu oqhendo yabona. So I struggled to get over that because ilokuyabuya until I actually managed to find a way to fight it, of which I did what? I put a version of her alright, ngathatha another version yakhe la seyangasekho khona, the picture lengisele ngayo, and then I turn these two things into some kind of, I would say, board, and then ngizoshaya leli board la antiza lo oshonile, ngiyalishaya le board, ngiyalishaya so that I'm removing it from existing in my mind. And then it was removed. I managed then ke ukuqala sengikwazi ukulala yabo. Uma Grazer 3 years, I think it was 2009, if not 2008, uyashona. And this time, because I learned a lesson ngale yaka aunties, I am not viewing anything, my brother. Ukuthi uMagreza bekangithanda kakhulu, Magreza bekangibuza even when she was still alive. Athi wena mfana, on my funeral will you cry? Ngithi gogo, we won't get there. Yabo. Athi ngikujeli ngikubuza kanje ngifuna ukukutshela ukuthi ungakhali ngefuneral yami yabo. So when that day of the funeral came, Chris, I didn't go and view. I didn't even go nanoma sesiyombe kugogo because of the trauma ebingisasenayo from leaka auntie. Fine. Now sekune imbalance ke ku family. I-hierarchy beyibanjwe yibo labantu bayi3. U-antiza, ugogo, madala. Kusele bani? Inkonzi malanga. Yabona inkonzi malanga selinani? Selinama liability kuphela.
Time.
Seline time. And then i-time linengcuthi eziyi3. Number 1, my eldest brother. Number 2, me. Number 3, Kamudi. Kamudi is an amapiano artist. My brother.
Kamudi.
Yeah, Miano, Kamudi. Yeah. Jobu Miano ati, hey, mina ngibuye Orlando, Miano akabuye Orlando nix. Ngikhulele Orlando mina Chris. Miano ngazi ngimbone Orlando sisakhula. Miano Orlando biyazi ngababo Kamudi khana baskima sekamdala. So Miano umfana seWhite waseKasilam la nami ngihlala khona manje. So Miano lied to people, but that's not the purpose of this. Yeah. Yes, Kamudi is my younger brother from Butaimalam, right? So now bheka izinto seziqala manje uba a little bit interesting because now kuba ne unrest, I would say, githi yabo. Endlini kusahlala umadala. Yes. So njoba kusahlala umadala endlini kanje kuyaliwa kulwa mhlambe utimer nomalume wami, of which bona bahlala emaroomini ngaphandle yabo. And then my eldest brother as well, umuntu oba eindabeni zabantu abadala. I mean at that time Chris, if like mhlambe kuba ne conflict and then ngizofuna ukufakaza or anything, I would get reprimanded fast with twana izinto zabantu abadala. Yes, exactly. So my eldest brother would get so involved in these things, man, in a questionable way. Nini, he is the one starting trouble. Yeah, but Nini, ufuna PC timer for discipline. Man, out here. Injani la out here. Yeah. And he spent a lot of time here angekho echarity. My eldest brother. Yeah. All right. Why it's important to mention him? It's because of something that now happens later. In 2000, it was 2016. I was matriculating on that particular year. So it's a lot of things that I'm skipping, and it's fine when I Chris, because why? Today when I Chris, it's for me to tell the story of which she saying as Chris is of mangas and thing experiencing. 2016, I matriculator, and now something happens. I get a tablet yami yesikolo. Ngenza umatric kulesikhathi sebafaka ama tablet ama smart TV lawa, yes ama smart board sha So basinika ke lama tablet
Ngoba
lawo.
sisaxoshwa kabuhlungu la. Qhubeka my brother.
Sinikwe lama tablet lawa. Okay, ahlala ebhegini ama tablet. I've never been stolen from like thingithi sengimdala manje carelessly yabo because izinto zami ngizibeka kahle. I know ukuthi okay there are people I can trust. I tablet yami iyatshontshwa esikolweni yabo. Mina le ukutshontshwa kwe tablet yami into engiyibheka ngenyama. Ote khona ungijwayela kabi. But it was a message with my brother. You have just lost something very important, or you are about to lose something very important empilweni yakho. Tablet, my brother, that's information, right? Sneaky information, a tablet. That means spiritually, this tablet symbolizes lamin ngikha khona information. Where I get my wisdom, where I get my knowledge. Umadala usenkingeni. I get a call on that particular day. Hey, Madala eKhokreni udinga ukubona. Madala singinesikhathi ngamboni because I left iOrlando West. I couldn't focus on my studies njengoba ngitshela ukuthi already besekune chaos. Chaos being brewed by labantu madala selinabo, of which are liabilities, my brother. Yabo. So this chaos mina besing affecta in my studies. I had to move because sengizoyenza matric. So i-matric ifuna mina khotman lam. Already besengizwa from grade 10 ukuza kanje ukuthi seyakhuphukela manje. Ayisekho lento yokuthi ngizobhala ngastudishanga. No, now I need to study now. Yabona khotman. So manje how kulahleka le tablet ngithola icall umadala eKhokreni ngiyahamba ngiyobona umadala who grown me umuntu beyangibonisa ukuthi baba ngizokuthengela ama shares namhlanje weMTN awemali so lapha eFNB eOrlando iDube bekune FNB eDube lapho besilapho nomadala. So I know him like very well. I trust him and I know what he planned for me, which is to take care of his people. He changed my surname at a very young age from surname ga Maoledi to surname yakhe. Yet akachinchanga surname yaga eldest brother, akachinchanga surname yaga youngest brother. So it's a decision that he made. Oh, it's no man. As in, now striker Sam, now umuntu who I believe will be able to carry on this legacy of mine. Yabo. So mangifonela ukuthi ngiyobona umadala mhlambe singinabo ma 3 months ngambona 4 months ngambona umadala. I've been distant my brother. Ngiyafunda ngishawa matric. Hawu mangifika lapha ngivulelwa yilo mama ukuthi uzishaya manje uzwana nobaba.
Stepmother.
Okay, my brother, stepmother, no stepmother, just mina phela ngimthathi njengo stepmother, but yes, alright, cheka babami, yes indeed, injalo, njalo. Hey, njengoba babami, hayi. So now Chris, mangifika introduce ngivulelwa uye stepmother, okay, yes, sanibona ninjani ayisaphi. Shabo madala beyafuna ukubona mana eKhokreni ngingene ngale ngingene lapha dining room anyambona old man uthi he is not well, absolutely not well, and he has been a healthy man for over 60 years because his health only started deteriorating I think around the age of 60 something, 68, 69. Beseka mdala kakhulu madala, but hayi ngaleyo ndlela bekasase active and strong yabo, but phuma kwami lapha ingathi amandla wakhe ayehlile kancane wena hotman lam. Hayi madala nyambona eKhokreni uceda ukuhlanza khona sorry guys to laba aba sensitive khona ibhakede phambi kwakhe beyaceda ukuhlanza eKhokreni madala iweight uyehle ngenye indlela emangazayo. I was hurt to see him in that state, but I was also honored to have been invited while he was in that state. Akacelanga omunye umuntu ucele ukubona mina kuphela Chris, cele ukubona mina. Safia sahlala phansi mina Chris, ngi-strong hotman lamine, but ngi-strong in silence, ngi-strong in isolation my brother. Nawe kanje my brother, angikwazi my brother angikwazi. So uMadala bengingazi nokuthi ngithini uMadala yabo bekubuhlungu kakhulu and bengingakwazi nokukhuluma naye bengingakafiki ngasho ukuthi kule state of mind engikuso today whereby I'm able to communicate my brother. It took a lot for me to even get to be able to speak out kanje yangithola Hotman. So Madala ngimbone ngiphumela wathi Madala ube grand Madala kanti uMadala 2 days later uyashona. Okay yabona ukushona kaMadala yena Chris kula reality ngishaya khona. Remember ngenza umatric Hotman lami and manje njengoba ngenza umatric kanje there was still unfinished business. He was grooming me for something. So after school I had to now be able to see uMadala ngitshele wena ntwana yami la kuso yabo. So I was almost there when I Hotman lami and then lo muntu uyasusa. So before attending the funeral, I go there. I think it was 2 days before the funeral. How struggle ngama funds funeral kaMadala. How do you struggle ngama funds womuntu who owns a business? You know Riverside Hardware, Home Affairs, Orlando West Home Affairs. Ma cross strata kune hardware lapha ekhoneni.
Hayi wena. Ngiyibona lo nangizane ngiyazi.
Chris, that's why I need Chris this story of my brother. Hotman yakithi la ndawo leya. Magama ithi Magama.
Opposite yakhona ngefuneral party.
The 21st century. That's why
Madala wakho.
George Ramukoka Magama.
Ramukoka.
Yes.
You think the container lapha?
At the moment seba yenze nje akusase hardware anymore. So no container amatayera and stuff.
Yaqhubeka.
So now Chrissy ubenguphi so struggling funds. How this man had a business that was operating, was still operating at the time. Their business layer. How struggle ngama funds kanjani? What kind of people uMadala abashiyela who are so incompetent? That man was honorable, my brother. Tate Magama. Ungangena ku any church uhamba nalo yaMadala uzobona abantu ngathi inkosi Tate Magama Tate futhi abomama futhi yabazi labo mama besonto Tate Magama bomme bese kuba nalezi ke ezidako Tate Magama bahle mathatha yabona udale inkunzi malanga le boza nanoma sisesontweni eMethodist bazokutshela eMethodist yaseHolland yamuntu uyafika njalo hayi imali intingani in speaker what uyathenga lo yamuntu lo. He was honored, that man. Whoever ubukele lento le ohlale Orlando West khona manje iyomshisa ibukele lento le uthi esani wena san ulimele and angakhulumi ukuthi ngilimele kanjani because I'm only talking about the loss itself. Let's continue, Chris.
Yeah.
It's a Thursday when I go there. All right. Shota my funds. Inkoma ikathengwa and what not. It hurts me. Angina niksi. Ngibuye wayithi ukhumbule phela Chris uthi wayithi yanewa ba.
Ngiyazi.
My brother
mfethu gijima ekuseni. Ngadibana mfeni yothenga isinkwa nje. Wayithi yathusa Hotman. So the following day I'll try to print out ama-photo kaMadala because clearly no one is thinking about that. That's the best I can do. That's the money that I have. The money that I have, imali ukuthi ngibuyele back to eYTT. So this money angeke ngisagibela. Ngizoyokhoda kusasa ekseni eJabulani Mall ngiyoprint out ama-photo for uMadala ngiwahambise da. Even though that is as if I'm not involved because I'm super isolated in a way. It's weird, but I'm too young to mind that. And also my brother, I have bigger fish to fry. No matric kumele ngipass. Yabo. So hambe coding print out hambise lama picture lawo. And then still ngisezwa indaba ye struggle sama finances ngiyabona funeral kaMadala won't be as prestige as it deserves to be. Yabo. Fine. Following day comes and indeed it wasn't
yabo ayibox la khona uyabona na Chris Lily nawe uyalikokotela manje ungalikokotela manje umuntu okokotela umkhukhu ukwazi ukulikokotela lela box leya coffin leya.
It was not a casket.
My brother, it was not a casket, it was a basket. See akekho ubi basket my brother into weak blind uyabona utala ngathi sincwaba umuntu ubani yena losimncwabayo ukuthi lo muntu was celebrated my brother, was very celebrated my brother. Lile ndubu yamazi umadala wami uthaya mfethu leyabe uyinkunzi leya. Fine, funeral happens, ngiyadlula ngibuyele back to eWhite. I have matric to pass. My brother ngipass matric ngomusa kaNkulunkulu. Ngiyambonga futhi uNkulunkulu because what I saw or faced in that particular year, it was supposed to break me. It didn't. Yabona manje Chrissy ngiba distracted because now after matric, immediately after, so I'm a call. Hey, name to register in university so ayo angiregistanga university melo register mfethu man hayi man hey okay nini ngithole ngikho hayibo and then old lady bengazi selling applyele something futhi ngithole call from I don't want to mention them, but the biggest or kind of biggest insurance company in South Africa. Yeah, they call me. Company, right? Yeah, man. I interview nyana will only take 15 minutes. So KUNENE danger box. Lumena machenzo amnyimbonga blind hot man la. Sape mi yini RG. Sape mi RG nse KUNENE la phaya ngithola le call le from a person use17 ungishange interview. Ayi umgaya ama answer mnandi awusesiterata wena mfethu uyafuneka kusasa. Hayibo. Yafuneka kusasa yes come to 17 what hayibo. Hey man. Hey, twanivukile musimanje shaba mfethu senya dismissa ngibuyela kithi mangifika kithi already senya chazisela ukuthi mfethu this is what's happening uyazama ukuthi angithola imali yokugibela hambe nge-sentini interview hambe kahle nakhona kubhalwa ama test bakushanga amanye ama test anzima kabi maths it contains a lot of these things yabo and mina ngiyenzanga ama sciences esikolweni. I did general subjects I would say yabo so lapha sengihlana manje nale maths le bengiloko ngiyi-avoid ngithi mina bengifuna ukuyenza leyo count ama peanuts i-maths lit ngimejari ngiyenzeni ngirobhe yes manje lapha bangishange ngi-maths esikazi ngiyabona hayi laza buya hawu ngomusa kaNkulunkulu ngiyayiphasa la increase bana kwenzakalani ngispane la ediscovery kusipana kwami ediscover wena Chris into it's fine so now how sengisenya spana manje and akusina ispan wena Chris it's like it was an internship I would say so nyakeleza nyaspana at the same time. Why melengeleze ngispane? Because what I'm learning, I need to practice as well. So it's pharmacy. I was a pharmacist assistant, I would say. I worked there for like a few years when there was an incident I remember whereby I felt ukuthi abantwana bakithi bengisaholi stipend, bengakaholi salary, bengiholi stipend. Abantwana bakithi man, angaba yenzeli nix. And I owe that old man who told me, baba, you are the one who's supposed to make sure which is the grand linguist. I reach out. Bantwana bakithi ninja. Hayi saphila kunjani? Sha. Bonhle ngicela organize ukuthi uwe uLisiho umbali. Noyi 3 ngizonithumela imali. Yabo. Bengicela we share evenly in between like each other. Yabo? Okay, I sharp siyabonga bhuti. Sharp. How receive a call thereafter from my eldest brother. Hey mina yami imali kuphi? Hey madoda. Hibana. Chris, me when I took this decision, cabangileni abantwana. You as my eldest brother, for example, Chris, sorry, but you as my eldest brother, you first of all, you don't appreciate the fact that okay, it's fine. Appreciation awungkoloti, but now awubheki wena uthi yo yimi ngitake over hardware, yimi ngitake over estate, yimi ngitake over everything, and still ngisahlokoloza lo mfana ngimfuna Chris ngine-anger inside of me already at the time ukuthi bro, you isolated me dog. Ubhuti wami omdala mfi yini yona leya ukamuthi yasambali kamuthi ke umadala uthi ngeke but paternal test ayamahala yeah amshanga paternal test yamahala but out, you are not in the picture. Yeah, but because noma Mike was pressing maintenance support gcina sebathi wena waza paternal test yamlahla mkhafula. So ukamuthi, that's why he's not in the picture when I continue the story, my brother.
Okay, sure, this thing is deep, most.
So ngisele no eldest brother nabantwana bayithi, of which are girls only. So the only males remaining, eldest brother, uncle, father beyangakashuni at the time mina mangiyenza this thing, ane? Already I knew me personally uthi eldest brother une problem no father, yabo. I had a problem no father, but my problem, it wasn't angry
as him.
Angeke ngilwe no babam Chris. If we useless babam, it's fine. Usaso babam.
Still, yeah, man.
Exactly, my brother. I have to respect him regardless of what condition or what not. I ngathi yena mfethu beyanga respect at all. Be babambana ngezandla. Hey mfethu ubambana no baba kho ngezandla. Hey baba. Ene phela kabamba ubaba wakhe kuphela. Babam Chris Loy. What does it do to me when I receive that information? My brother nyaboila.
Yeah, I'll still look yambeka.
Nyaboila la ngaphakathi. But this is my blood. This is my blood. Boyithu abantu engibathandayo, abantu ukuthi si share i-bloodline now. All right, fine. This incident happens, but it makes me start to question ukuthi my brother kanti ucabanga kanjani. Ngithe mhlambe uzophaphama as time goes. Yabo? Kushona ke timer or malume angazi, but balandelana ngenye indlela nawo. So ukulandelana kwabo uyabona ukuthi hey whoa guys, okay sharp COVID khona, but let's no Chris Chris yeah
bashona njani ama brothers beshona
hey abakuli
awuthothi umuntu engakhwehlela manje mayithi uyabona
exactly gone just like that. I'm like, Aibo, is this normal? But it's beyond me, my brother. It's way beyond me. I want to see now what happens. What happens thereafter will tell me actually what is happening here. It will make me understand what's really happening. What happens after. It's like I'm trying to follow the money. Okay, uyayibona lento le, but follow the money. That's where you'll see. That's where you'll get to understand why this happened. So me, Nitin, I'll observe. Time will tell. It always does. Skatmanslogu Samba, total takeover from the eldest brother. Mind you, he doesn't have the same name. Madala would say Kamaboom, Uraskamufa sene. Madala, he was ahead. Madala, he was spiritual. Madala, begabona. With his son. Yes, son.
Danger heifer.
Sinenkinga. Ugogo dala asho. It echoes right now to me. Amagama kagogo. Angena lo mfana lo. Ukuthi beka troublesome. When I will my famo. Yo. At that time, it was funny. It was very funny. Chris, bengithanda nokumlingisela ngila eYT. Yabazi kokho bla baya utoro pichi bafabo. Yes, bearing yo. What I saw there after, umhlolo. Indoda take over everything. I didn't even get a shoe of the old man. And my bega sakhuluma old man, sikhuluma ngobaba. Ngobaba wethu, whom we share, my brother. I don't get involved, don't get called, I don't get what. Attend i-funeral, nakhona ku-funeral wenziwe ezinye mfethu. My eldest brother ku-funeral ukhuluma the way beyangathandi le ndoda efile le ngakhona. 9 efuneralini, Chris. He is fearless, he is brave, he is a trickster, he is chaos. My brother, you can't do that. My brother, no matter if nzoba ne beef, I do music. Nga beef no Casper Nyovest right now, but Casper Nyovest, God forbid, Casper Nyovest is gunned down. My brother, I have to feel some part. Oh, my brother.
Yeah.
No. I'm like, this man, what's wrong with this boy? But I understand, upbringing, I found. Umadala lapaya, he was very strict. Madala be so. Hotman lam. That's why bengihlala ngibalekela e-White City. Ngihlala ngifuna ukuye e-White City. E-White City ngithola i-freedom. Ngiyodlala nabanye abantwana. Yabona ngiba happy. Mangise Orlando strict. Baba hlala endlini. Yabo umadala uyazi uprotecting. Umadala uyazi ukuthi la ngaphandle akukho safe mfethu. Yabo rather focus on izinto eziso neziso. That's why angifundisa iBhayibheli, angifundise. Yabona Chris. So now that means my eldest brother yena on his maternal side, it's dark. It's very dark because now his behavior is bleeding into the paternal side of the family, whereby we get to see his true character. Maseka yenza le chaos ulwa nabantu wenzani. Ukuthi Chris, I love him so much because sikhule sonke. And also on top of that, when Chris, he was a good boy. That boy. Nabantu bangangifakazela kamtsi amela he was a very good boy. He's a good boy. Madala naye himself bekamthemba. But spiritually, there was always something lingering, my brother. There was always something. Just you couldn't just see it.
Couldn't touch it.
Yes, my brother. Time goes, and when time goes, Chrissy, hey, kwenzakala enye into kushuthi kulabo sis bethu abayi2 angithi sekusele yimi eldest brother angikho lapho mina ngise White City phile White City, and then eldest brother usele na everything, take over everything without anyone else yabo. So he has to use the surname still, the Magama surname itself. It still counts, the Magama surname. Because you can't do a takeover of the whole estate and everything. Guguti, there are still Magamas remaining, my brother. They must also be involved in whatnot. Mhlambe ezinye izinto I was change bamtshele emakhode emayinini. Hey baba, usadinga nalo yabo, usadinga nalabaya. Yangithola. So Khotmani elder sister, I would say, Antwam, from that side of the family, uluza ingqondo. She's now mentally unstable, I would say. So umuntu, I loved her so much. Very beautiful lady, beautiful human being. We mixed breed, Portuguese and African. Yeah, well, beautiful. Beyenza ne modeling. Mangakubonisa ama picture kwe model. My brother, abo Aliyah style. Jennifer Lopez. Yeah, she was amazing, my brother. Ne hair texture yakhe, sweet. How, my brother, uluza ingqondo lo muntu lo due to drugs. Ane? So makaluza ingqondo kanje, umuntu manje ne Orlando West ngangifakazela. Chris, izinto engizikhulumayo, please note, Chris, they are truthful, my brother. I will not come here to deceive you. I will not come here uzama ukuba famous. No. This is very serious. Usester akasekho grand ngengcondo. So because ingcondo nanoma ingalahleka, memory still lives on. She remembers where I live. She would come azongigogodela. Koko uthabanga ukukhona. Uthabanga yekho. I was working at the time. Angangithola sister yabo. And then makangithola, I would make sure yo sister nyenza yonke into. Sister ngibheka ibhatha ayigcokile. Sister ohlala ahamba ngeenyawo nini ibhathu zitshekile zinjani. I'm talking about a person engamazi anjalo yabo. So ukumloku ngimbona anje, and she has a daughter, mind you. Yabo ukumloku ngimbona kanje akho grand. I'm worried about her daughter with a son. Udaughter ukhula kanje, she needs her mom. Yabo. Okay, it's fine. Sister Mageza, I'll do what I can. Hlala inyama. Igawulo ufuna imali sister even though ngisaba nanokumuphi imali because angasuka yoyibhema futhi le mali. Yabo, but still as a brother, as umntwana kubo, as nami umuntu who benefited from her love because she showed me a lot of love. Chris bekangikhulisa man. Yabona Chris. So usesister bekaloku eza and then until ngicina sengasaspan nakhona ukuluza umsebenzi wami kule company esengiyimentionile my brother. It's because I didn't want to vaccinate and I still don't want to vaccinate and I will not vaccinate my brother. I was adamant that I will not vaccinate, that it shook up the whole of Discovery Health, my brother. Mangiti the whole of Discovery Health, my man. Discovery Health, my brother, had the biggest tender yama vaccine in the country. I can talk about it. They can't sue me. If they do sue me, sorry, it's like a back and forth because they owe me. They owe me for the pain that they caused, for the trauma that they caused. So that's why I'm not afraid to speak, my brother. Yes, sure. So my brother, they had the biggest tender yama vaccine. I was a pharmacist assistant, remember? So they had the biggest tender yama vaccine, and I think the deal that they might have made, allegedly, they might have made with the government is to vaccinate their whole company in exchange to maybe getting rewarded this particular tender, which might have been very lucrative. Yabo? Okay, fine. So Discovery has to vaccinate everyone, and unfortunately, basuke baqasha mina. And mina ngilezi Chris, I live by compassion, I live by evidence. Those are the two main things that I live by. Compassion, evidence, my brother. I feel for another person, my brother. And for me to start believing something, it must be proven to me that this thing actually exists, my brother. Yabo. Okay, fine. Hayibo. Vaccinate. Chuti into SS. Utani made ni vaccinate. I am like, hey, laba bangazo, hey, ungazoletha izinto. Unonkulunkulu dog. Unonkulunkulu mina. Unkulunkulu uyi umuntu engimthembayo. Uzangitshela ukuthi mfana hey, hamba vaccinate wena son. Yabona, but he never told me that. And also when I do research this thing, the technology was used, mRNA technology, it was created by Dr. Malone. At the time, Dr. Malone is someone who's being silenced, is someone who's being labeled a whistleblower. Hayibo. Umuntu created lento enifuna ukungifaka yona nilwa naye. Ayi, this is a dangerous thing. I'm not putting this thing in my body. Bathini kuzi policy manje. Ipolicy ithi wena 2022 January awubuye Discovery Health ungavaccinate. Hayibo. Okay. Bakipa the policy it's a year before. Yabo. So towards about October, November. Hey, ayi bangibambe. But meeting. All right. Meeting nhlaliswa manager phansi. A very loving Afrikaner woman uGerda Viljoen. Gerda Viljoen is like, hey man, you understand? Kuzi police and you are one of the only people abangaka sign lento le ukuthi uregister ukwazi ulo vaccinate. Ngimtshela man Gerda, I'm not comfortable ngalento le. Yabo, she was a very loving woman, understanding, very very good woman. Ngiyamtshela Gerda, I can't do that man. Yabo, it's not in me. Tabang, is it religious? It's no, kids. It's just I don't want to take the risk. I don't want to take a risk because you do understand as well that this is a risk when I get. Yeah, but okay. Tabang, I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, fine. She has to go. Ayokhuluma nama executive. Akhulume nama executive. Ayikhona isikhulu lapha eDiscovery. Sikhulu sosisi ke basaba eDiscovery ke. Bamsaba bathi uzimkhitha. Hey, angazi ke lo sisi lo ukuthi Udaki. Yalizwa legama lithi zimkhitha. Yes.
Uphume zimu.
Hayi. Angazi bhatayi. Angazi bhatayi mhlambe le ayigcobisile ibuya khona. Hayi ngoba hey. Lo muntu bamsa. How can you fear a person, my brother? How can you fear an equal of you, my brother? Yes, this is business and whatnot. You are a boss, but I cannot look at you and say you are a god. You are a boss, and being a boss does not mean I have to change in any way. In any way, Chris. If I'm a respectful person, I stay respectful. Just like that. I ngivuthelwa uzimkhitha mina. Maybe they think mina ngisaba umuntu because most people zimkhitha bamsa mabazi igama elithi zimkhitha hey yabo so mina I'm like hayi bo uzimkhitha umuntu uthini uzimkhitha umuzwe uzimkhitha asho utemfethu then you police and whatnot. But then still, Chris, in that same meeting, Uzimkhitha is still asking the same questions Geda asked, and I'm giving the same answers. So Uzimkhitha, manje solution yini manje masokso. Nyamtshela yazini Zimkhitha. Zimkhitha, I will tell you now. Please, do not waste my time. So that I don't waste your time. I will not vaccinate, like it or not. Ugeda, I'm like, oh no, where you fear, what am I dealing with here? That means I'm dealing with last level. I know sure. She would show me what I'm dealing with last level. My brother, what happens thereafter? You'd be shocked. You'll be shocked, my brother. How? Ntola e call, truly, where I work in the pharmacy, admin. When I receive a call, my brother, either it's from a patient, it's from a doctor, it's from whatnot, yabo. Nami shy outbound food for nama patient to confirm their deliveries and whatnot, yabo na Chris. And in Spanagram, people love me because of the voice yami, humor yami, like yabo ngumuntu. So receive a call on that particular day to process a payment. It was a lot of money. It was a lot of money, my brother. It was, I think, over 100,000. Yes, there are people, my brother, unfortunately, every month they have to take medication that's over millions. Yes, millions. Yes, I did have a patient who was taking 2 million medication on a monthly basis. Yes, 2 million monthly.
For what?
He's a big guy. He's a very big guy, like in South Africa, and he owns one of the biggest transportation things. So I won't say
medication 2 million.
2 million
every month.
Yes, and incane phela mina mamela Chris section 21. Mawusebenza ku section 21, it means you are dealing with medication that is not registered in the SAFRA. The SAFRA is the regulating body of a medication like South Africa, my brother.
Mamela kakalathi. Awona into eqeda ukuyisho. Like there's a high possibility ukuthi cure AIDS call. It's only the elite abayithola.
Yeah, but
keep on 2 million per month.
Imagine that every month you cover 2 million. What kind of disease is that, bro?
Kanda, it was proven that HIV was cured.
I know there is a cure.
Yes,
people don't know.
Okay,
don't
so you're saying that all right.
Yeah, so
this can give you a picture of what's out there. Yeah, some people cannot afford certain things that others can, and because you cannot afford, you are left to die.
Some animals are just bigger than others.
That's true. Nah, that one is true. That is very true.
My brother.
Sure, my brother.
James Uban's cut the story.
Yeah. All right, so I'll try to also cut it short.
Yeah.
So now, all right, I received these calls and stuff. Chris, I also want to touch on something also. I helped a lot when it comes to like Tina Abantu Abamnyama, because I saw a lot of racism, my brother. I saw a lot of racism kuyo lento yokusebenza e-pharmacy. Yeah, but because I would see how medication would be prioritized for Caucasians over black people.
Yeah,
and it hurt my soul. It hurt my soul. It truly hurt my soul. Yeah, but khona i-medication eyabantwana wena hotman lami edliwa on June kuphela, by injectwa June kuphela, abantwana who are unfortunately born with cancer, my brother. So person like there's a guy who released an album called Tulufelo. I had to prioritize medication for his son. I had to prioritize medication for his son because I could see that guy can lose his son.
What you mean, bro?
Uphatala imali eningi nje umprioritize.
Patali imali eningi Khotman lami is ilento bengisho ye prioritization ya ma order the medication. ithathwa June only this thing, and when it comes to the country, I think it goes exactly like straight to the doctor's rooms. It doesn't come to us thina siyihold something evele iye kuma doctor's rooms. So what they do, they'll prioritize abantu babo, ama-Caucasians wabo. I'm speaking so confidently kanje ngalento ye farmer, because my brother, I want nothing to do anymore. Kwasa nesitificate sami ngishisile. Certificate some qualification, not qualification manje pharmacy. Right, food. My brother. I am not here to serve the devil, my brother. I'm working for God. Meaning represent a light, my brother. So, my brother's son would not get medication timely, and it started to become a concern for me because he was one of the only darkies, one of the only black people whose children are taking, So, by busy synergies. So now, my brother, the medication kuzo prioritizwa labantu laba, and then my pelile le medication angazi ke ukuthi uzomela omunye uJune or uzoyi-order wena yourself overseas, and wazi ke mina njengoba ngisebenza section 21 kanje yimi kuphela allowed to order certain kinds of medication la eSouth Africa, yabo, because lapho ngidila ngamanye ama-medication, my brother, are serious. I'm talking about medication that is cytotoxic. If we are uyayithinta writing say ngakuwe fana nabo LSD, I'll come back for another for another yama drugs and stuff, because now you're nje people need to understand.
I think we need part two. We need part two. I don't know, my brother. You have 5 minutes to wrap up the family side. Then we're gonna come back and continue.
100%. Let me.
I'm an English. My people, we should go 5.
So ngales vala ngani angithi usithatha kwi-boss.
Yeah, le boss there.
Wagcina kumakhowa to call
bheka ke sizobamba from lapha ku Zimkhitha. Yeah. And then after lega Zimkhitha sinya kule encounter le recent, of which ngilethela la today enkulu, the big thing that happened, of which is my brother threatening me, and then later on ke hayi ngimbona yimfene. You'll be shocked and it will make sense to you.
I see kahle kahle phela wona abafana ngiyakhuka manje sengiyaqondanisa
ziningi in such a way ukuthi nayo lega my brother nayo lega my brother it connected to another thing which I experienced from learning myself, trying to learn, because I asked myself, these people who do these bad things to us, witchcraft, how did they get to even know that thing? And then if I am gonna be subject to this, then how about I learn about it so that I can learn how to defend myself against this particular thing? It led me to other things like exploration of astral projection, of which I managed to do. I achieved it twice, but that's a whole different thing. Although it comes back to connect to what had happened.
See you on part 2. If you want it, just say part 2. I'll come back and give it to you. It's road to 200,000 subscribers. We deserve one. It's real stories, bro. Here we're not acting. We're not doing anything here. Bro, people just come and sit on the chair and they talk. We don't cook nothing. It's real stories. We deserve your subscribe. So yeah, see you at work. James, are we out? Part 2.